I got the time, and my wallet's got thirst. I'm done with my team, I see the cash July 1st. I got some skills, but I ain't Corey Perry. I got some stuff, so sell it, JP Barry. I like the New York, Detroit, a place that's won. Don't send me to a dive like St. Louis or Edmonton. My peach, double Snoop, Cracker Jack, Bootylicious. I got to make the dough, all these friends are doing dishes. So let the talks begin with Burke or Dean Lombardi. I work the half wall, let's get this party started. I'll play with guys, maybe Sydney, maybe Claude. Don't care who they is, just get my Escalade.
Yeah, the thing is, I don't really need an Escalade for status, but you see, I hurt my back a couple of weeks ago. I was helping my friend move a piano in Etobicoke, and since that time, my lower lumbar needs support, and I just can't get it in smaller vehicles.
So give me my piece on the first and see you later. At least I'm not the guy sucking down and put on waivers. I think my agent's good, and I hope he don't fail. Or I guess my new job is working at the door of the brass rail.